Hey, what's up you guys? It's Chris Bernal and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see by today's title, this video is gonna show you how I do my makeup and all the products I use. Basically my makeup routine, my everyday go-to makeup look. It's quick, easy. Well, it's not quick because I've been taking long, like 3 hours or so. So if you would like to see how I do my makeup, then keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera just because it takes me 45 minutes to probably an hour depending if I'm having a good eyebrow day or not. But if you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial, go ahead and let me know and I will do that for you guys. But my eyebrows is my first step in my makeup routine, so after that is primer. So for primer, I use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter, and I go in with a Luxie 510 foundation brush. Once I'm done priming my face, I go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I use the shade 240 and 290. I mix them together, and then I go in with the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS1 foundation brush. I like to go in with the brush first, and then after I go in with the damp beauty blender. Don't forget to always bring it down your neck. By the way, let's just ignore that. It's not there. I'm grown. If you don't like it, that's not my problem. Let me go wet my beauty blender. I forgot to wet it. So then I go in with a damp beauty blender. De una vez me quiero disculpar para los que no entienden inglés, se me fue el rollo la neta, pero no se preocupen porque ahora en adelante todos mis videos serán grabados en inglés y en español para que todos entiendan. And for concealer, I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. This I do it section by section because this concealer dries really fast, and I don't like that. After concealer, I set my face and I go in with the Jeffree Star setting powder in the shade Translucent. I also use the shade Banana for the rest of my face. And then I go in with a Kat Von D 20 brush. And then I go in with the brush and I just brush it away. And once I'm done setting my face, my next step is bronzer. I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer and I go in with a Morphe X Jeffree Star JS2 brush. And for eyeshadow, I don't do nothing too dramatic. I just go in with the same bronzer. But this time I use the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS5 brush. And then I go in with a brush like this. And I do my nose. Oh, I just fucking hit my elbow. Oh my god. That hurt. But as I was saying, we just had a free nose job. Like, look at that. Snatched. Okay. After I'm done bronzing, I go in with blush and I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush in the shade Blushing. That's what it's called. And then I go in with a Beauty Creations brush and it looks like this. It's angled. And then I go ahead and curl my eyelashes. So I went off camera to glue on my eyelashes. For eyelashes, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics in the style Glamazon. And for mascara, I went in with the Big Ego by Tarte Cosmetics. And after I'm done with my eyelashes, I go in with setting spray and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the brush I'm gonna use is the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS4. And I'm going in with Summer. And then I go in with a smaller brush and it looks like this. And my final step is my lips, and I use the Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Dulce K. Once I'm done lining my lips, I go in with a liquid lipstick. So that was it for today's video. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. And since you're already here, you might as well subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can always get notified when I upload a brand new video like this one. Go ahead and share this video and leave a comment if you like. If you guys would like to follow me on all my social medias, I will leave them linked down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.